Greetings and good morning from Njala, Boyoma. Yes, I am here in Sierra Leone and enjoying the beautiful weather and walking through this beautiful palm fruit garden. All right, and we are enjoying this time. You are welcome. You're welcome to come and enjoy beautiful Sierra Leone. This is a beautiful place. I just saw a nice bird. So if you're a bird watcher, if you are interested in nature, let me give you a 360 here. Sights and sounds are just amazing for you to come in full joy here in Sierra Leone. All right, come on out. I'm inviting you personally to come to Sierra Leone and come on out to this wonderful place. The nature trails are beautiful and the people are wonderful, welcoming, and you are safe. You are safe here. All right. So this is HB coming to you from Njala, Boyoma, in Wonde Chiefdom, southern part of Sierra Leone. Until next time, stay tuned, like and subscribe, and come walk with me. Come walk with me and we'll talk on these trails. Beautiful, beautiful. See you next time.